Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup ClickUp Workspace using exports and automation step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ClickUp account. Navigating to the workspace you want to backup is essential. In the sidebar, click on your workspace name to open the settings menu. Locate and select the Import/Export option within the settings. From the export options, choose Export Everything to backup all your data. Wait for ClickUp to generate the export file. You will receive a notification once the file is ready for download. Click the download link to save the file to your device. This file will contain all tasks, comments, and attachments from your workspace. To automate future backups, access the Integrations section in your settings. Look for automation tools compatible with ClickUp. Set up an integration that allows for scheduled exports, if available. Choose the frequency of your automated backups that suits your workflow. Ensure you have the necessary permissions for the automation to run smoothly. Configure settings to send backup files to your preferred cloud storage or email. Test the automation to confirm it works as intended. Ensure your backups are stored securely and can be easily accessed later. Regularly review your export settings to adapt any changes in your workspace. This will ensure that your backup process remains efficient and up-to-date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.